Hello friends, I face a printer issue from time to time which seems very common problem across many printers. I have a basic HP printer which I bought under $20. Every now and then I face a peculiar problem with the printer. I mostly try to print wirelessly. The printer remains visible in the network. It can scan documents wirelessly, but when I try to print it, it says printer is offline. Now when I search internet for solution, I found many similar complaints from all different types of printers. Mostly people suggest to reconfigure the printer or uninstall and reinstall, which takes more time. If you are like me, who is not a heavy user of printer, then it's very irritating to reconfigure the printer every now and then. Go to Control Panel, Devices and Printers. You can see here I have two different setup, one for wired and one for wireless. And also I set up the wired one as default because otherwise sometimes it goes away when not connected. Now here I'm trying to scan a document, doing the same thing, going to Control Panel, Device and Printers. You can see it's available. You can see it scanned fine. But when I try to print something, it says printer offline. Now one way to solve this problem is try to reconfigure it quickly. Go to Utilities, Print Setup and Software, and reconfigure your wireless setting. It will be a quick fix, and most of the time immediately that printer will work fine. You can print as well as scan effortlessly, but in some cases it will still not work. You can scan but you cannot print. Here is the second solution. Connect the USB connector between your computer and printer. It will start printing fine. This has a limitation. It's wired, so your computer needs to stay close to the printer. So this is the last resort. But good part is, it always works. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Also, please provide feedback in comments section. Wish you all the best.